Hello, I'm Connor Colgan. I'm going to give you a demo of our Comply software for Amazon Web Services. I'll walk you through some examples of automated safeguards and also give you a preview of our compliance dashboard. In this demo, I'll take you through the process of setting up different AWS services. Because we give you direct access to the cloud, you can see our software running in the background throughout the demo. Now, let's get started. ClearDATA's automated safeguards for EC2 allow healthcare organizations to virtually deploy servers in AWS specifically designed to host and process PHI. ClearDATA's platform is purpose-built for healthcare, with technical controls designed to meet the needs of both technology and healthcare compliance. ClearDATA provides Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs, that are hardened against CIS benchmarks and contain built-in security controls such as anti-malware, audit logging, and other technical controls. As you can see here, customers can deploy EC2 instances using the native AWS console using ClearDATA AMIs, and our automation platform ensures that the EC2 instances are compliant to host and process PHI. We enforce common healthcare standards such as encryption at rest, data integrity with automated backups, and network access controls using our automated safeguards for security groups. Once the EC2 instance is launched, our automation kicks off and enforces all of the technical controls for which ClearDATA is responsible for. One of the most common controls required in healthcare standards such as HIPAA and GDPR is audit logging. ClearDATA's automated safeguards collect all of the appropriate operating system, security, and audit logs on each EC2 instance and log them into a central system powered by Amazon CloudWatch. ClearDATA also collects a copy of each audit log, creating an immutable audit trail for each server that we make available to customers through our compliance dashboard. Another common control is ensuring the availability of healthcare data by guaranteeing you have a backup of your data. ClearDATA's automated safeguards for EC2 create a daily snapshot of every elastic block storage, or EBS, volume that is attached to a virtual server. ClearDATA's compliance dashboard also provides a report that proves each server is backed up with the proper retention necessary to meet healthcare standards. This helps health organizations comply with the requirements they have to meet. ClearDATA's automated safeguards for S3 help ensure that all S3 storage buckets are configured properly to host and process PHI. Amazon users are given native access to the console to create and manage S3 buckets. To demonstrate how we can make sure buckets are compliant, we will create a new bucket using the default settings. This means that the bucket will not be configured with encryption at rest or enforce encrypted connections. There are multiple options that must be configured in order to be considered capable of hosting and processing PHI. As an example, notice that we are not selecting the encryption at rest option. This is a standard practice for storing sensitive healthcare data. The bucket has been created using the standard settings, which could be a common scenario for any organization using AWS. Multiple technical controls are not properly configured to host healthcare data, such as access logging and encryption at rest. As you can see in the settings, server access logging is disabled, as well as default encryption is not enabled. ClearDATA's automated safeguards will evaluate the bucket and determine that it is not capable of hosting healthcare data. The platform will then remediate the bucket in the background. The healthcare standards that ClearDATA has mapped to specific technical controls are applied to the bucket, creating a secure and compliant bucket now capable of hosting and processing PHI. Controls such as versioning to ensure data availability, access logging to create an audit trail, and encryption at rest, among others, are all enforced upon creation or modification of a bucket to ensure continuous compliance for Amazon S3 buckets.